Hello students. Now today we discuss the integral. In integral we discuss the some more integrals. Some integrals as used as the formula like a square minus x square. A square minus x square dx now equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c sin inverse x by a plus c. These integrals used as a formula. This integral used as a formula. For example, 4 minus x square integral 4 minus x square under root dx under root 4 minus x square ds. It can be written as under root 2 square minus x square dx. This question is same as the given integrals. So these integrals are used as a formula. These integrals are used as a formula of under root 4 minus x square. This can be written as under root 2 square minus x square. Now x by 2 under root 2 square minus x square. 2 square upon 2 sin inverse x upon 2 plus c and x upon 2 under root 4 minus x square plus 2 sin inverse x upon 2 plus c. X upon 2 plus c. So such type of questions are solved by using the formula of integrals under root a square minus x square. Under root a square minus x square as a special integral. So this integral are used as a formula. Now clear? Next, under root second under root x square plus a square dx under root a square plus x square dx, x square plus a square dx equal to x by 2 under root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. X upon 2 under root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus under root x square plus a square. This integral now used as a formula. The question integral x square plus 2x plus x square plus 4x plus 6. This integral is based on the above formula. This integral is based on the above formula. So, this integral can be used in the form of this, now equal to under root x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2 dx and equal to x plus 2 whole square plus under root 2 whole square dx. So these integrals as the above integrals. Now use the formula of the above integrals such as x plus 2 upon 2 under root x plus 2 whole square plus under root 2 square plus a square under root 2 square upon 2 log x plus 2 plus x square x plus 2 whole square plus under root 2 square plus c. X upon 2 under root x square plus 4x plus 6 plus log x plus 2 plus integral x square plus 4x plus 6 प्लस c। ये हमारा जो है इंटीग्रल है। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट under root x square minus a square dx. Integral of under root a square minus x square dx equal to x upon 2 under root x square minus a square plus minus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Under root a square minus x square plus c. For example, integral under root 1 minus 4x minus x square 4x minus x square dx. Integral minus common x square plus 4x minus 1 dx. That's equal to integral minus x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 5 dx. Clear? Now the integral under root minus x plus 2 whole square minus under root 5 square dx equal to integral under root 5 square minus x plus 2 whole square dx, such that these integration have x plus 2 upon 2 plus x plus 2 upon 2 under root 5 square minus x plus 2 whole square plus under root 5 square upon 2 sin inverse x plus 2 upon under root 5 plus c. Clear? Next, x plus 2 upon 2 under root 1 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 upon 2 sin inverse x plus 2 upon under root 5 plus c. This is the integration of the given function. But this integration is not based on the above formula. Now the next question, on the basis of above formula under root x square plus 3x integral of under root x square plus 3x dx equal to integral x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 dx and integral x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. This integral as the above formula, this integral is same as the above formula, so expand the integral on the basis of the formula x by x plus 3 upon 2 by 2 under root x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square upon 2 log x plus under root x plus 3 by 2 log x plus 3 by 2 plus under root x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 square plus c. So x plus 3 by 4 under root x square plus 3x minus 9 upon 8 log x plus 3 by 2 plus under root x square plus 3x plus c. This is the integration of given function x square plus 3x dx. Now this equation expressed as the perfect square. Now the perfect square, half of the coefficient of x and their square be added and subtracted to get the integral of the above forms. So now these integrals we integrate and get the result of this. Clear? Thank you.